This is a 2008 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission, a 5.3-liter V8, and the added capability of 4-wheel drive. Features include chrome wheels, traction control and stability control systems, cruise control, a trailer hitch receiver, front fog lights, tinted glass, dusk sensing headlights, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 63,000 miles. Call now to find out how you can own this breathtaking automobile.
Ancira Volkswagen is conveniently located at 6125 Bandera Road, just outside Loop 410. Come by and experience the Ancira Volkswagen difference today. When you think of Volkswagen, think Ancira Volkswagen.